Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Lay and LAUV. Nice name there, but they're actually two different persons. Run back to you. So this is a pop song here, sweet, honey sweet song with some modern vibes there. So let's take a look at this one. We go here with the capo set on the 3rd fret. So we have a couple of chords to go over, but it's very easy actually. So let's start here with the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G-B chord. So that is the 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. We have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have this chord progression and it goes in the same way through the entire song. So the first half of it will be C, G, B, A minor, and G, B. And then the second half will be C, G, B, A minor, the same. And then the last chord will be the E minor. But how do we handle them? So we need to learn the string pattern here. Let's go back to C. And one string round will be down, clap down, like this. That's the timing of it, so, and the rhythm. So you're gonna play down, clap down, short pause, and then comes in the end, clap down. And then you switch to the next chord there, because you're gonna play only one string around per chord. So down, clap down, and then switch and play the next chord. So the challenge here will be the switches there. That has to really come fast. So that is a great song to handle. Switches there, even if the chords are not that far from each other, they're very easy in the transition there. So if we're gonna look at the first half, I mentioned the chord progression there. It was C, then to G, B, to A minor, and to G, B. I'm gonna take down the tempo and we're gonna play through this first half. So it goes like this. Alright, so down, clap down, clap down. That's the rhythm. And then the second half will be the same starting chords, C, G, B, A minor, and then E minor in the end. So it goes. Alright, so if we take up the tempo a little bit and go aim for the standard tempo, it will be somewhere like this. So there you have it. Run back to you. A nice song to practice some unusual strumming methods here and rhythm. So let's do that together. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Leave a comment or like this tutorial if you wish. Till next time, guys, play tuned.